Good morning everyone, this is Amit Pabari, founder and managing director of CR Forex. Remembering Gandhiji on this day and remembering his saying for customer that a customer is the most important visitor on your premises. I would like to thank all of you who attended my webinar on Friday. Thank you for being with us. Summarizing what we have discussed in the webinar, that inflation is the biggest concern for 2022 and Fed is going to increase the interest rate and they will also do tapering. Plus US economy is doing extremely well. This will let dollar index rally to continue and dollar index will move towards 121 kind of a level in coming days. So now there is a lot of buzz in the market that last week a lot of central bank have taken action against dollar rise. For example, Bank of Japan have intervened strongly last week, selling almost $20 billion to stop its currency for getting weakened. First. Second, Bank of England announced that they are going to again start quantitative easing by buying long-term bonds. Third, Chinese central bank instructed its state bank to get ready with massive selling of dollars to stop its currency getting weakened. Lastly, RBI announced that they are giving credit line worth $9 billion to its PSU oil marketing company. One of the questions in the webinar was asked by someone was whether it will have any impact on dollar rupee pair or not. Let me tell you, it will not gonna have any kind of impact on dollar rupee pair. It is just postponing their liability from today by taking a foreign currency loan. Probably a lot of PSU company might not willing to take that risk also, as the view of the currency is on the weakening side. Now let us discuss what is the outlook for dollar rupee pair for coming days. The overall biasness of the pair is on the weaker side, and we think that 81.15 to 81.20 will act as a very strong support for the pair. Any dips toward that area should be taken as an opportunity to buy dollar, and there is a higher probability that the pair can move towards 82 to 82.5 level in coming days. Now let us discuss strategy for thin margin exporter. Thin margin exporter like agri exporter or a chemical exporter. Last week we suggested them that 50% of their exposure they should cover close to 81.10 to 81.30 kind of a level. For another 50% they can wait for a target of 81.75 to 82, and dollar rupee pair made a high of 81.92 level. For this week we are suggesting anyone who is having a costing below 81, then 50% of their exposure they can cover between 81.30 to 81.50 kind of a level, and for remaining 50% they can target 82 to 82.25 level, and they can keep a stop loss of 81.20. Someone who has taken aggressive costing close to 81 kind of a level, then what we are suggesting them is to cover 70% of their exposure between 81.30 to 81.50. For remaining position, they can wait with a stop loss of 81.20 for a target of 82 to 82.25 level. Now let us discuss strategy for thick margin exporter. Thick margin exporter like textile exporter or an engineering exporter. Last week we suggested them that they should maintain a hedge ratio between 45% to 50%, and they should wait a stop loss of 80.50 for a target of 81.75 to 82. This week also we are suggesting the same thing. Do not increase your hedge ratio beyond 50%, as there is a higher probability that the pair will move towards 82.5 kind of a level. They can wait for 82.5 with a stop loss of 81.10 level. Now let us discuss strategy for importer. For the year of 2022, दो मंत्र है importers के लिए, that any dips has to be taken as an opportunity to buy dollars. Second mantra है that at any point of time they should be covered for at least 45 to 60 days import payment. Now for coming days, 81.20 to 81.30 will act as a very strong support for the pair. Any dips toward that area should be taken as an opportunity to buy dollar, as the overall biasness of the pair remains on the weaker side. Now let us discuss trading ideas for coming days. Last week we had given two calls, sell Euro USD and sell GBP USD. GBP USD का stop loss trigger हो गया. Someone who has traded on that might have made a loss of 1,63,000 rupees. For coming days, Euro USD का जो call है वो intact है. Someone can increase one more lakh of quantity close to 0.9850 kind of a level. Target same है 0.95, stop loss भी same है 0.9950. With this I will end my today's presentation. जय हिंद, नमस्कार, फिर मिलेंगे next week. Thank you.